And then if you wanted to take this all the way into the scientific, you might conceptualize that perhaps we've only been looking into forces and force carriers that relate to the physical material world, but maybe there could be psychological forces. Maybe there could be this kind of martial energy. Maybe there's a particle that could correspond to this impulse towards love, towards justice, towards war, towards structure, that maybe these planetary energies, these essential natures, could somehow also have their own particles, their own carriers, their own quantum fields that may be similar to how there is a biological structure that if you have certain DNA, then you will have a certain form. You will become a monkey or a snake or a person or whatever it is. Perhaps depending on the configuration of these archetypal energies, maybe this is something like consciousness, that the way that different particles are constructed within our imprint or nature, that can also give us these different archetypal energies, these personalities, these destinies. I think you could also probably understand the universe having some sort of fractal nature, that the nature that we have is a reflection of the nature of the universe, and that there is some sort of correlation between our own nature and these inclinations and somehow the structure of the universe that does seem to be reflected in the planets for us. But maybe there's even larger scale versions of this when you consider solar systems revolving around stars, within stars revolving around black holes, that maybe there are different sort of layers and octaves of these energies that manifest at different scales that we are all just a reflection of in some way.